1. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price: $35,000. Located Bedford, Indiana. This 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle is a strong example of classic American muscle, combining original character with big block performance. Showing 4,204 miles driven, this blue Chevelle has been garage-kept and carefully maintained, preserving both its body and mechanical condition. Powered by a 396 big block engine equipped with a mild small cam, this Chevelle delivers the deep rumble and torque-rich acceleration that made early 1970s muscle cars legendary. The automatic transmission provides smooth shifting and comfortable cruising, making it equally enjoyable on weekend drives or at local car events. The vehicle comes with a clean title and is fully paid off, offering peace of mind to the next owner. Included with the sale is the original owner's manual, a valuable piece of documentation that adds authenticity and collector appeal. The exterior blue finish highlights the Chevelle's bold body lines, while the overall presentation reflects consistent care over the years. The 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle remains one of the most respected muscle cars of its era, known for its aggressive styling and big block performance options. This example maintains that reputation with a solid drivetrain, documented ownership history, and proper storage. A true American classic that delivers vintage power, timeless design, and dependable street presence for any enthusiast seeking an iconic Chevrolet muscle car experience. 2. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle 454 4-speed. Price: $35,000. Located Phelps, Kentucky. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle 454 is a sharp classic muscle car built with performance and attitude in mind. Finished in driver-quality paint that still presents well, this Chevelle maintains a solid body with no rust, offering a strong foundation for enthusiasts who appreciate both style and substance. Under the hood sits a powerful 454 big block engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering the raw, engaging driving experience that defined the golden era of American muscle. The drivetrain is supported by a durable 12-bolt rear end, ensuring strength and reliability under spirited driving conditions. Power steering adds comfort and easier maneuverability, while front disc brakes provide improved stopping performance compared to factory drum setups. These upgrades make the car more enjoyable and practical for modern road use without sacrificing its vintage character. Inside, the interior shows typical wear for a classic driver, including a tear on the driver's seat, but overall remains functional and authentic to its era. The 1967 body style is widely regarded as one of the most desirable Chevelle designs, known for its clean lines and aggressive stance. This example offers strong, big block power, manual transmission excitement, and solid structural integrity, making it an excellent opportunity for collectors or drivers seeking a true Chevrolet muscle car experience at a competitive price point. 3. 1970 Tim McCamus Pro Mod Camaro. Price: $73,000. Located Pikeville, Kentucky. This 1970 Tim McCamus Pro Mod Camaro is a professionally built race car designed for serious competition in Pro Mod and Top Sportsman classes. Built by Tim McCamus, a respected name in race car fabrication, this Camaro features a lightweight carbon fiber body and carbon interior, maximizing strength while minimizing weight for optimal track performance. The car is currently configured for a 4.8 4-bore space big Chevy engine paired with a Powerglide transmission. Equipped with new Zoom-Eyes headers and strange ultra struts up front, the suspension system is engineered for precision and consistency. It features a MW modular floater rear end, strange 4.29 third member, and Weld Delta wheels with V-Series fronts. Carbon brakes on both front and rear provide exceptional stopping power under high-speed conditions. The chassis sits on a 112-inch wheelbase and was front-halved by Richard Bowling Race Cars in Tennessee in 2019. All previous wiring has been removed but is included, allowing the next owner to customize the setup for their preferred combination. With low runs and having not seen the track since the 2019 update, this Camaro presents an outstanding opportunity to own a competitive, professionally constructed race platform ready for finishing touches. 4. 1969 Stroup Camaro. Price: $50,000 located Patriot, Ohio. This 1969 Stroup Camaro is a purpose-built race car originally constructed in 1997 and campaigned as a nitrous-powered machine. Built with performance in mind, it features a lightweight carbon fiber body designed to reduce weight while maintaining structural rigidity. The car is set up to accommodate massive 36-inch rear tires, giving it the aggressive stance and traction required for serious drag racing applications. A blower engine has been installed but has never been run, offering a fresh setup for the next owner to complete and tune according to their racing goals. This vehicle is being sold as a roller, meaning it does not include a transmission, electronics, or engine components beyond what is noted. A matching hood scoop is included, complementing the race-focused appearance and aerodynamic profile. The 1969 Camaro platform remains one of the most iconic and competitive foundations in drag racing history. This Stroup-built example offers a strong chassis, lightweight materials, and proven race heritage. For racers seeking a serious project with established pedigree and room for customization, this Camaro provides a solid and competitive starting point ready for the next chapter on the strip. 5. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Race Car. Price: $21,000 located MT Sterling KY. This 1978 Chevrolet Malibu race car is a purpose-built drag machine designed for serious performance on the strip. Constructed with an all-steel body except for the hood, trunk lid, and bumpers, this Malibu maintains structural integrity while reducing weight where it matters most. Lexan windows are installed all around, further enhancing weight savings and race efficiency. The chassis is set up for a big block engine paired with a Powerglide transmission, making it an ideal platform for competitive bracket or heads-up racing. Power comes from a strong 509 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine featuring a Crower crankshaft and Dart Pro 1 aluminum heads. Fuel delivery is handled by a MagnaFuel 500 fuel pump, ensuring consistent performance under load. The drivetrain includes a durable 12-bolt rear end with 4.56 ring and pinion gears and Moser axles for added strength. 4-link rear suspension provides adjustability and improved traction, while disc brakes on all 4 corners deliver dependable stopping power. A 7AL2 ignition system and Reed transmission case complete the race-ready setup. This Malibu is available as a turnkey package or as a rolling chassis option, offering flexibility for racers seeking a complete car or a customizable platform ready for competition. 6. 1991 Ford Mustang GT Roller. Price: $15,500 located Talcott, West Virginia. This 1991 Ford Mustang GT Roller is a well-prepared race platform designed for serious drag racing enthusiasts. Offered as a roller with no engine, transmission, or electronics included, this Mustang provides a strong foundation for a custom build. The rear features a brand new 8.8 housing with all new internals, 31 spline axles, spool, and 4.56 gears. Rear disc brakes enhance stopping capability, and the assembly has only 8 passes since completion, indicating minimal use. The suspension system includes adjustable rear control arms, an aftermarket adjustable upper torque box crossmember, anti-roll bar, and adjustable shocks to fine-tune launch consistency. A full roll cage ensures safety and structural rigidity, while a tubular K-member reduces front-end weight and improves engine bay access. The car also features a cowl hood, Kirky racing seat, and 5-point harness, reinforcing its track-focused purpose. Currently set up for a small block Ford with a Powerglide transmission, this Mustang GT offers a solid, competitive base for racers seeking a lightweight and well-prepared Fox body chassis ready for the next power combination. 7. 1981 Chevrolet Corvette. Price: $18,500 located Beckley, West Virginia. This 1981 Chevrolet Corvette is a strong running classic that combines iconic C3 styling with upgraded performance. Powered by a built 406 cubic inch engine, this Corvette delivers significantly more power than its original factory configuration. While details are extensive, the drivetrain and performance modifications make this car an exciting street machine with aggressive acceleration and strong throttle response. The exterior maintains the unmistakable sharp nose and sweeping fender lines that define the late C3 generation. The vehicle is listed in like new condition and presents as a well-maintained example of early 1980s American sports car engineering. The upgraded engine enhances both sound and performance, giving the car a commanding presence on the road. This Corvette is priced firm and represents a solid opportunity for enthusiasts seeking classic fiberglass body styling paired with big cubic inch small block performance. A desirable platform for collectors or drivers wanting a vintage Chevrolet sports car with modernized power and unmistakable attitude. 8. 2002 Ford Mustang GT 5-Speed. Price: $7,000, located Oakwood, Virginia. This 2002 Ford Mustang GT is a dependable and affordable modern classic powered by the proven 4.6-liter V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. With 250,000 miles driven, this Mustang remains a solid, stock example that runs and drives well. Finished in orange with a tan interior, the car maintains a clean title and is reported to have no significant damage or mechanical problems. The 4.6-liter modular V8 provides smooth power delivery and classic Mustang sound, while the manual transmission offers engaging control for daily driving or weekend cruising. The exterior paint gives the car a bold presence, and the overall condition reflects a vehicle that has been maintained for reliability rather than heavily modified. This 2002 Mustang GT offers an accessible entry point into V8 performance ownership. Ideal for enthusiasts seeking a budget-friendly platform for enjoyment, restoration, or future upgrades, it remains a straightforward and honest example of early 2000s Ford muscle heritage. 9. 1991 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price: $12,000, located Blackwater, Virginia. This 1991 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a heavily upgraded street and strip machine built for serious performance. With only 1,234 miles driven since completion of the drivetrain build, this white Camaro features a fresh 385-stroker engine based on a .040 over Vortec 350 block. The combination includes a comp hydraulic roller cam and aluminum cylinder heads, delivering strong power and aggressive throttle response. Fuel delivery is handled by a new ATM Innovations carburetor, paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. The current setup would benefit from a higher stall converter, as the installed unit is tighter than ideal for the cam and power band. The rear end features 4.10 gears with a mini spool, maximizing traction under hard acceleration. Suspension upgrades include aftermarket tubular control arms and adjustable QA1 coilovers on all four corners for improved handling and weight transfer. Cooling is managed by a Misimoto aluminum radiator with electric fans. The car rides on new wheels and tires, and currently runs open headers, giving it a raw, aggressive exhaust tone. Digital gauges and a subwoofer with amplifier complete the interior setup. 10. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Price: $15,000, located Nitro, West Virginia. This 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 split bumper is a highly desirable project with strong restoration potential. Owned for over 15 years and garage kept for more than 3 decades, this North Carolina car is described as having zero rust, making it one of the cleaner foundations available for restoration. Finished in factory orange and equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, this Z28 retains its classic muscle car identity even though it is not numbers matching and does not have the original engine. The body has been stripped to bare metal and sealed in epoxy primer, showing no filler and preserving factory quarter panel spot welds and trim pin details. An AMD driver side fender was installed after minor damage from improper jacking. The car includes staggered 18-inch torque thrust wheels and a Trans AM disc brake rear end. While it does not have a cowl tag and will never be a fully matching car, it comes with a current title and remains a highly restorable example of the iconic split bumper Camaro generation. 11. 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Price: $5,000, located Junction, Illinois. This 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D offers an affordable entry into classic third-generation F-body performance. Powered by a 5.3-liter engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission sourced from a 2002 Silverado, this Camaro runs and drives, making it a practical project or budget performance platform. The LS-based swap provides improved reliability and modern power compared to the original factory configuration. Finished in orange with a clean title, this Z28 presents as a solid driver with no significant reported mechanical problems. The combination of lightweight F-body chassis and upgraded drivetrain makes it a strong candidate for further modifications, weekend cruising, or bracket racing builds. The 1986 Camaro Z28 remains a recognizable symbol of 1980s American performance styling. With an already completed engine and transmission swap, this example provides a head start for enthusiasts looking to build a fun and capable street car without starting from scratch.